Hi guys! Today we are doing an animal sound challenge. So I will hide a few animals in orbits and Gaby will have to find those animals and we'll have to make the animal sound. It's done. So I will get a Gaby and let's start.
Oh my gosh.
Gaby, what is that? It's Orby.
I wish.
It's Orby. Wow.
What to do?
Did you?
I wish.
Did you smash one Orby? Gaby. Uh-oh. One Orby just flew away. Gaby, you have to find the animals in there. You have to find the animals in there. Orbeez, yeah, in there. So, Gaby, look. Look. We have to find something in there. Gaby, what is this?
No.
It's meow meow. It's a cat. Meow meow. What are you doing now, Gaby? Uh-oh. That's okay, Gaby. That's okay. Gaby, let's try to find another one. Let's take a look. No, nothing here. Gaby, I found something. Gaby, what is this? No, it's a sheep. What sound the sheep makes? Baba! Yay! Clever girl! Let's put there. Or like that. Let's try find another one. Gaby, I got something. What is that?
Wow.
It's a dog! Wow, wow! Good girl! Try to look another one. Wow! What is this? It's a pig! Oink, oink! There you go. Now put here. Mommy will help you to look for the animals. Gaby, what is this? It's a tiger. Wow! What is that? Yeah, it's a tiger. Again, it's a tiger. What is that? Why you got that? That was an Orby. Gaby, you have to find an animal. Uh-oh. Orbeez, yeah. It's a tiger. It's a cat. What sound a cat makes? Meow, meow. Wow. Gaby, I got something. What? What's that? It's a lion. Wow. Oh, so cute. Gaby, what is this? Yeah, it's a horse. Nay, nay. Wow, wow, it's a dog. Wow, wow. There you go, Dad. It's a cat. Did you smash it over here? Did you take a look? Wow, you smashed it, Gaby. Oh no, you smashed it again. Orby, yay. So that's it, guys, for today. Gaby, say bye-bye. Gaby, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alright, bye, guys. See you soon.